All right, today we're going to be talking about how to optimize your 2025. Starting off, you want to get intentional about what you do every day. You want to get intentional about your goals. You want to set a plan. You want to have a list. You want to start journaling. Those are just a couple of things that I want to touch on in this video today. But starting off, having that vision for yourself is key. Once you have that vision, you can start working on your plan. And once you have that plan, you want to start by writing down that plan in a step-by-step ordinance. And once you have that planned out step by step, you just want to make sure every day that you're achieving your goal and your plan that you have. How I plan to optimize my 2025 is I have a list of things that I want to accomplish, and I'm not going to stop until I accomplish them. And just putting in that work every day, is all I can ask for myself. And just having God with me, guiding me, praying, having faith is another way you're going to reach your goal. Because once you lose that faith, you might as well give up. But once you have that faith and that willpower and that discipline, you can achieve anything you want to achieve. So set that plan for 2025 and crush it. Just go after it. Just give it your all. You got this. We got this. God's watching you. God's got his hands over you. Just pray, talk to him, ask him for wisdom, ask him for guidance, ask him for forgiveness. 2025 is your year. You said 2024 was going to be a year. Maybe you made it happen. Maybe you didn't do enough. Maybe you still got that momentum from 2024 to carry into 2025. Or maybe you're just looking to start fresh. But I'm here to let you know that 2025 is your year. And you can make it happen. I'm going to take you guys along my journey of how I'm going to make 2025 my year. I just got my real estate license. I got hired on at an apartment locating company. I'm going to be helping people find their dream apartments, making content, making high quality real estate content, going out there networking, meeting people in the field. I've got a few mentors right now. And then just documenting my journey. That's my goals for the year. Working out, that's been my goal for the last 2 years. I've been working out for the last 2 years. And just keeping on that. And just focusing on myself. Right now, I'm single. Don't really have any plans for a girl. Or it's kind of not in my vision. But I'm also not opposed. So if it does happen, it happens. But I'm also not looking right now. Kind of in ghost mode. Tunnel vision on my goals and my dreams. And that's my main purpose as of right now. Just being a disciple of the Lord. There's a couple things that you can take with yourself. And just always have faith. So I just wanted to come on here and kind of give you guys a couple ways to optimize your 2025. Peace.